Hey, what's up? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, we're going to talk about my overwintered pepper plants compared to a new pepper plant that I've just picked up from the store. Carolina Reaper, habanero. I picked this one up last year. This time in the store, it was that size. Grew it in this box, this above ground box. And before it got cold in the wintertime, pulled it up, repotted it, and then put it inside to overwinter it. Now, and I did that with all the ones, that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the ones in the corner here. And these guys are absolutely huge, very sturdy, and it is mid-April, and they're already flowering, fruits all over them. So if you want to get a head start on pepper plants, if you like making hot sauces like me, using peppers in cooking like spicy foods, try overwintering a pepper plant. It's really easy. Just cut it down, as you can see. Cut. Just cut it down, repotted it, took all the leaves off of it, and took it inside, pulled it back out. Made sure, essentially, you need to keep it from freezing, right? The freezing weather is what's going to kill your pepper plant. This is a jalapeno over here. As you can see how big this stalk is, and it's already flowering. So these bigger plants are going to have 50, 60 peppers on it before this one's even able to support one. But I do like bringing in or reintroducing some new peppers every year. And then I'm going to try and overwinter these again. So at the end of this season, I'll pull them up, repot them, bring them inside, and see if I can bring them back out and replant them for a third year. But look at the difference between a overwintered pepper plant, 2 years old, and a first year pepper plant. No comparison at all. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.